Course on Systems and Visible Security. My name is Neminath. I am an associate professor at IIT Indore in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I'll be lecturing this course. Uh, Today we rely on internet for many things, right from online banking to online shopping to conducting the virtual meetings, etc. So, in this digital connectivity era, it becomes important to understand various cyber security risks and the security risk one can have. The cyber security risk is not only important from the individual perspective to safeguard our own online banking transactions or other things, but also from the corporate perspective, organizations perspective as well, where organizations may want to protect their trade secrets and their business digital assets, etc. So, from that perspective, it becomes important to understand various cyber security risk and also the possible countermeasures or the mitigation techniques one can have. So, this course on systems and visible security gives a gentle overview of various security aspects. The course is actually designed for 4 weeks. This is a condensed course. So the contents are something like this. On the week one, we will understand the fundamentals or the basics of the cyber security, and we'll also understand the various cyber security threats, concepts like what is a malware, what is a botnet, and social engineering attacks, and like that. On the week two, we'll look into the security aspects from the operating system perspective. This includes the both Linux and the Unix variants, also the Windows operating system. What are the inbuilt security mechanisms the operating system themselves provide? And we'll also look into the virtualization security. Today we also use virtualization heavily, so many in the data centers and other areas. So we'll look into the virtualization security, and on week three we'll into the study the web security aspects. So concept like the secure socket layer, the transport layer security, and the briefly the public key infrastructure and identity management, like this. And on the week four, we'll look into the usability aspect. This is one of the primary component of course. When you design secure systems, how does the user actually going to make use of them, and how the user is going to react to those security mechanisms. So we'll understand various concepts like the password based security, both text based and the graphical passwords, and the how biometrics is used, and the web security, particularly browser security aspect, and then the privacy and the trust. So this is the course overview. This is what we are going to study over the span of the 4 weeks. And then the references for this course goes something like this. We'll use the textbook Computer Security Principles and Practice by William Stallings and Larry Brown. And the second textbook that I recommend is by Michael Goodrich and Robert Masia, Introduction to Computer Security. And the third one, which talks about the usability aspects, this is by Kraner and Garfinkel, Security and Usability, Designing Security Systems that people can use it. So every week you will have some practice assignments and also one exam at the end of this course, with which we will grade the course. This course can be, as I said again, this is a condensed course. So we'll not go into the very detail or depth of the concept. We'll touch upon the concept superficially, and then that is how the course itself is designed. So we hope we'll have a good learning experience together. Thank you.